Hey, Josh Tigg, Running T Farms here. I thought I'd get a shot. I was setting up some fence and I came past this ditch. This field that we're grazing has been in crop production for probably the last 40, 50 years till we bought it and transitioned it into pasture. So there was a wash that was down through here. Well, as you can see, it still is. This wash is about 24 inches deep here and goes on to get as bad as 4 to 5 foot deep down there. But I wanted to show you what proper management with the animals can help heal these erosion ditches. So as you can see now, we start right there is a bare ditch bottom, and as we come up through here, we let the cows in here. And the edge, the grass on the top of these ditches will kind of overhang these ditches, and when the cows step on it, they just break off a clump of dirt, grass, roots and all, and then they kind of stomp them down in the bottom of these ditches. And if you remove the cows, don't leave the cows in here so they can constantly walk up and down these ditches, this is what happens. They just keep getting better and better and better until you eventually heal the ditches. Now we do have a pretty bad one right here, but it's in the process of healing itself. As you'll see, this was a hole that was here before the cows ever come where it was washed out, but on the lower side they've got it trampled down the seed bed and grass coming. So what that does is it starts slowing water as it comes out of this hole, catching soil, and it'll just keep working itself back uphill till it fills this in and sods it over. So I thought I'd get a shot here. There was a ditch here 2 years ago that ran right up that fence line all the way up close to where that water tank is set, that was about 18 to 20 inches deep. And over the course of 2 years with working this ditch with the cattle, getting them off of it, don't leave them in there. I can't stress that too much. If it's wet and you leave them in there, they'll walk it till there's nothing left. But if you put them in there for a short period of time, let them push some of those clumps of grass off down in there and stomp them, they'll take root in the bottom of these ditches and you can get them filled in. The other thing that makes a big difference is this whole watershed that was in crop production is now in grassland, which is going to infiltrate a lot more water into the soil, slow the runoff. So in conjunction with that and the cows getting grass, we've got less runoff to deal with, firstly. And the less runoff in conjunction with the correct amount of animal impact and enough recovery time, you can heal these erosion ditches with the cattle. You can check us out online at runningtbeef.com or like us on Facebook at Running T Beef.